Hello guys, in this videos I'm going to be showing you how you can delegate your BTCs and earn some more coins. And this is exactly how we're going to be making extra BTCs after the mainnet goes live. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new updates like this for you. Quickly, I won't take much of your time, let's jump into the video. Alright, so today's video is going to be very quick and fast and easy for you to see what is going on. Now quickly, I want you to take note of whatever is on the dashboard, not on the dashboard, sorry, whatever is on my balance right here on the test net here. I want you to take good look at it, know how much is here. Sorry, let me do that again so you can, okay, like this. Take a quick look at this and make sure you know the exact amount that is right here on the test net. Okay, so now let's go to where we can use the test net very well, which is the browser. If you don't have a link to if you want to get a link to where you can get the test net is in the description of this video, and also in your application you can also see it there in the application. Make sure you click on where there is always announcement, you get to the link where you will see your test net. And also I made a video, I've made some previous videos on how you can add your BTCs to your MetaMask wallet, also how to use the faucet, how to do a lot of stuff on the testnet. There's a link in the description of this video. You're going to just go down below, you're going to find out all that stuff for you to be able to use this testnet very well. All right, so guys, quickly let me take you to where you can delegate your coins and make some extra BTCs on the testnet. All right, so let's click over here to the menu button. I'm going to click on my staking for you to see my tokens that I've already staked, that I delegated, and how I'm going to claim in my rewards. Now you can see I already delegated 2 coins. There are 2 coins that I already used. I delegated 2 coins, and today I'm going to be making claim. I'm going to be claiming my rewards. You can see the rewards that is available right now on my balance is here. I'm going to quickly claim it and see. That is why I said you should take note of the balance in my MetaMask wallet. So right now I'm going to click on claim over here. Okay, then I'm going to follow up with every other instruction that will be coming up. Scroll up, confirm it. All right, okay, good. Transaction succeed. Now all I need to do, close this quickly. Now I have claimed this amount of BTCs that will be added to my balance. I just claimed this, and now I want us to go back to the wallet and check if it has been added. You can see, that is why I said you should take good look at this. Now you can see the balance has increased, meaning the rewards have been added to my balance over here on my in my wallet. So that's how we're going to be making, we're going to be earning more BTCs once the mainnet goes live, goes on live, you know. So now I'm going to show you how I managed to stake this particular 2 tokens, these 2 BTCs here, and I was able to stake them into the delegation method. All right, so now let's go back. Let me click on Satoshi, which is going to take me back home to where it all started from. Okay, now here we are. Once you get to this particular page, all you need to do is look between these cards that are over here, all these cards that you can see over here, everything here. Come down, choose the one that you prefer, and you come over here. You can see their APR. Check out the percentage, the one you see it's good and enough for you to high enough for you, you click on it. But let me just go with the rock card, which is the first one over here. You click on details and your weight. Okay, now you can see this is all the informations about the rock card. Whatever is going on, it's all written here, you see. So you can see the total deposits, total coins that have been delegated over on this rock card node that is here. So now all you need to do is click on delegate. Then we are going to be delegating coins, not hash. Coin, let's choose on coin. All right, then I want to put in maybe once one BTCs. Again, is going to increase my coins that I'm delegating, that I'm staking. So I will just leave it on this one, and all I need to do is delegate. Click on delegate. Okay, now I confirm it. Good. Okay, now I just delegated one more coin. Close. Then let me click here and let's go to my stakings. Then you're gonna see my coins are going to increase. Okay, all right, now it's not showing because it has to take time for it to come up, but right now you can see already my rewards is empty because I've already taken it out. So what's once you delegate your coins, you are going to see them over here. It's going to add, this one is going to increase, my coins is going to turn to 3 later on. I know right now it's still taking time because of the network, no problem, but let's go to my wallet. You're going to see that now you can see that my coin has reduced. I now have one BTCs over here because I just used one to delegate to stake on the test net. So that is just very simple how this work. Every time you can come over, delegate more coins, and you're going to be earning more BTCs. And remember, this is how we are going to be earning more BTCs once the mainnet is live. So guys, make sure you get to understand how this thing works and how it works. You need to know it so that you won't have issues trying to get more BTC. Okay, so before I forgot, we have a new update from the call team yesterday, which is on their Twitter account. You can go to your Twitter or you just check it out, or I'll make things easier for you by leaving this link in the description of this video. That's the link to the official website of the call team, so you can go ahead, click on it and read the white paper, and you know what's going on. And also from the update, we are no longer going to be having BTCs after the mainnet as the name of this token. It's going to be changed to core. So guys, that's the new update. You can check your mining application down in the announcement section. Go ahead, click it and read whatever it is written there for you to get updated. So guys, very soon we're waiting for mainnet, and so don't lose guard. Keep mining BTCs for now. All right, I'll see you guys again in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends so they can be able to do the same thing I just showed you in this video. So guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Ciao.